So this is how I'm about to wire my dash cam to my mirror. I bought this attachment off of Amazon, and this attachment is literally right here, and then it connects to this bigger box, which you plug the OEM one right here. And then to prove that it works, the car's off, and then I'm about to turn it on. And then here's this. It'll tell you basically how many volts are going.
Video mode.
And right now I have it connected into here, but I'll come back and show you when I have it all nice and cleaned up. Then you connect the power adapter to this, which is all plug and play, which is pretty sick. So there's that too.